The blur modifier is used to blur or smooth the terrain height map by removing all of the high-frequency fine detail. The blur modifier supports 3 different blur algorithms and is fully multi-threaded. The blur modifier differs from the smooth modifier by the type of convolution filter algorithm used. The style determines the blur filter that is used. The 3 filters are average, Gaussian, and radial, which apply different weighted convolution filters to the height map. The edge determines how the blur algorithm will perform blurring at the edges of the height map. Extend edge is used for standard height maps, while wrap edge is used for height maps that are tileable. The radius controls are the size of the blur convolution filter kernel. Radius supports sizes from 1 to 256 pixels. Larger radii results in more blurring. The strength controls are the strength of the blur convolution filter effect. Higher strength values results in more blurring. The passes controls are the number of times to run the blur convolution filter over the height map. Increasing the number of passes results in more blurring. The OK button applies the modifier to the main terrain height map. The Cancel button cancels the dialog. The Copy button copies the current dialog values to the clipboard. The Paste button pastes the current dialog values from the clipboard. If the clipboard does not contain valid values, clicking this does nothing. The Reset button resets the dialog values to the values from the last time that it was opened in the current session. The Default button resets the dialog values to the application defaults.